Welcome back to another video. Today we will be covering the top 5 drum kits. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. To start things off, let's take a look at the Alesis Drums Nitro Mesh. Here are some key features of this product that consumers should make sure to consider. Premium 8-piece drum set, 8-inch dual zone snare pad, 3 8-inch tom drums and 3 10-inch cymbals, ride cymbal, hi-hat, crash with choke. In-demand sound, Nitro drum module with 40 ready-to-play classic and modern drum kits, 60 play-along tracks and 350+ expertly curated acoustic electric drum set sounds. Ernest from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Haven't lived somewhere that I could own a kit because of the noise levels in some time." Next up we have the Asmuse electronic drum set. The following features make this product something to consider purchasing. Easy operation, simplify monitor of the module, provide 12 drum sound kits and 242 sounds with our electric drum set. Real percussion hand feeling, Speakle mesh snare drum and 8-inch comes with rim shot function. Full creativity, O input and USB MIDI output help you create your own beats and music. Emmanuel from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Yeah, very good." Alejandra from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "Excellent intro drum set." Daniel from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Nice pad, nothing to envy to the bigger brands, really happy about my purchase." Carolina from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "He seems to enjoy them. I was a little apprehensive about the fact that they can fold up and be portable, but it doesn't seem to affect the overall quality." Next up we have the Electronic Drum Kit 9. Here are some key features of this product that consumers should make sure to consider. The foldable 9 drum pads are the best practice drum for drum beginners, also a great choice for both adults and kids who would like to practice and record playing drums. €8 colorful light and dual stereo SPEAKERS €8 The pads of these electric drum pads emit colorful lights during drumming. It can add even more fun to playing, and kids really love them. Featuring a high-quality dual speaker, you can enjoy great sound quality, which is good for outdoor performance. €8 drumming on the €8. This practice electronic drum kit comes with a 2000 mAh battery which is easily rechargeable with a runtime of up to 8 hours. Louisa from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "My 12-year-old son loves this." Leanne from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "My son loves it. He plays on it every day. He thinks HEA Circumflex Euros is a rock star." Our next product comes highly recommended, the Roland TD1 DMK Dual Mesh Kit. When considering this product, here are some features to keep in mind. Kit includes kick, snare, hi-hat control pedal, tom X3, crash, ride, drum stand. Size, including sound module, kick pad, kick pedal and drum throne, 47 1/4 watts x 43 5/16 d x 47 1/4 h weight, 17.8 kilograms 15 preset drum kits with authentic expressive drum sounds for accurate and true-to-life drumming. Kelvin from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "The only complaints I have are that the sensors within the drum heads are sometimes a little unresponsive due to the sensor's location at the bottom center of the drum heads and that there are no sensors in the drum heads for rim hits." To round out the video, our final product is the Steel Tongue Drum. The following features make this product something to consider purchasing. €8 professional steel tongue DRUM €8 12 inches 13 notes C-key steel drum handcrafted by artisans with titanium alloy material is painted with pearl finish, exquisite and 2 against tarnishing, scuffs, and scratches. €8 wide usage and easy learning. €8 steel tongue drum can be used to multifarious occasions, including yoga, Zen meditation, prenatal education, music enlightenment education, religious activities, percussion concert, home leisure and a perfect gift. €8 package INCLUDED €8 you will get 1 steel tongue drum, 2 drum mallets, 1 mallet bracket, 6 finger picks, 1 set of note stickers, 1 music book and comes with a travel bag for convenient transport. Tashia from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "IWASNA Circumflex Euros T-sure at first, but after reading reviews I had a little hope and ordered it. The sound is great, the carrier case and extra necessities were definitely a plus. I hope you enjoyed the top 5 drum kits. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.